How to install raw Accel for Windows. So if you want to install raw Accel for Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with the URL which I pasted in the description below, and there you can see different versions like version 1.7.1, which is the latest version right here. So if one of the version is not working, you can scroll down to download the respective file for the older version. Now to install it, here you need to just simply go with the version that you would like to install, and then you will have the assets right here. You'll see the raw ASO version name and then .zip. Just click on it and this will be downloaded. Now you can go with your downloaded files, which will be in the top. Click on it, go with full download history, and you will have the zip file right here. Now go with your file manager. Under your file manager, go with downloads, and here you will have your raw ASO zip file. You can move it wherever you want to install it. I'll just simply keep it right here. Just double click on it. Go with extract and extract all. Select the destination wherever you are comfortable with, and then go with extract. And after the extraction is complete, the folder will automatically open, or if not, you can just simply double click on it and open the folder. And you will have this kind of interface. You need to again double click on the raw ISO and you can get this kind of interface. Now you need to go inside the installer.exe, or where you have the application option, just simply go with raw ISO, or just double click on the installer right here. Click on yes. Once you go with the file which is installer.exe, it will ask you to reset or restart your PC. And once you reset it, you can start raw Excel by just double clicking on the rawexcel.exe file with this black icon. And now you'll be able to use it in your games. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.